Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're exploring the serene world of minimalist rustic interiors. Join us on a journey through spaces where simplicity meets nature, creating havens of peace and beauty. If you're ready to transform your space into a minimalist rustic retreat, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, let's begin our tour. As we enter this minimalist rustic home, we're greeted by a living room that embodies tranquility. Sunlight streams through large, unadorned windows, casting a warm glow across the space. Exposed wooden beams overhead draw our eyes upward, bringing nature indoors. A hand-woven wool rug adds texture and warmth underfoot. The furniture here is purposeful and inviting. A plush sofa in neutral linen, a vintage leather armchair, and a reclaimed wood coffee table that serves as both a functional piece and a work of art. Open shelving displays a carefully curated collection of handmade pottery, weathered books, and simple plants. Each item has earned its place, contributing to the overall sense of intentional living. Moving into the kitchen, we find a space where functionality blends with beauty. The farmhouse sink, with its deep basin and classic design, speaks to a simpler time. Above it, open shelving crafted from rough-sawn wood planks showcases everyday items: ceramic plates, simple glassware, and mason jars filled with dried goods. Honed natural stone countertops offer an elegant, understated surface for food preparation. Matte black fixtures throughout the space provide contrast against the lighter elements anchoring the design. A butcher block island stands ready for meal prep and casual conversation, with woven baskets beneath for hidden storage. The dining area flows naturally from the kitchen. At its center, a solid wood table with a live edge celebrates the beauty of imperfection. Simple, streamlined chairs surround it, their clean lines complementing the rustic elements. A wrought iron chandelier casts a warm, inviting glow, while a large window floods the space with natural light. On the table, a single vase of wildflowers brings a touch of nature indoors, reminding us of the beauty in simplicity. In the bedroom, tranquility reigns supreme. The color palette is intentionally subdued, with soft, natural fabrics in muted tones creating a cocoon of calm. The bed, a haven of rest, is layered with linen and wool in varying textures. A weathered wooden bench at the foot of the bed offers a place for quiet contemplation. Bedside tables are kept minimal, perhaps with a single lamp or a small plant. Large windows invite the outside in, but simple roller shades offer privacy when needed. The bathroom continues the theme of natural serenity. A freestanding tub invites long, indulgent soaks, while a vanity of reclaimed wood adds character and warmth. Stone tiles underfoot provide a connection to the earth, their varied tones adding visual interest. Plush towels and natural fibers and handmade soaps displayed on simple wooden shelves elevate everyday routines into spa-like experiences. Finally, we step onto the front veranda, where the minimalist rustic aesthetic extends outdoors. A porch swing crafted from weathered wood invites lazy afternoon naps or evening stargazing. Potted plants in various stages of bloom bring life and subtle color to the space. As evening falls, the soft glow of lanterns creates an enchanting atmosphere, guiding the way without overpowering the natural beauty of twilight. This is the essence of minimalist rustic design, a harmonious blend of nature's beauty and human craftsmanship. It's a style that doesn't just please the eye, but soothes the soul, creating spaces where we can truly feel at home. We hope this journey through minimalist rustic design has inspired you. If you enjoyed this tour, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who appreciate serene living spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more interior inspiration. Leave a comment below telling us your favorite element of minimalist rustic style. Until next time, may your home be a source of peace and joy.